Kama Mohammed from Nation blog about Copen, a Jan so, and then a Jano Ebeso, and then Mesoja, honestly. Because, no, maybe I echo Swagana no. See a Cassia Basha Haya, and Tokwa, Ebeba on my garden. And Tokwa, Ebeba on my garden. Ana me bese message ekoma MPP ni omumpanyumfo nyina MPP ani omumpanyumfo nyina me bese message ekoma mo na mo stop Obsinadoye from talking. MPP should stop Obsinadoye from talking on media. MPP must stop Obsinadoye from talking on the media because Obsinadoye onim sedi esi kasa sabeta frache kasa enye obi anim kasa Obsinadoye onim sedi esi kasa ene Obsinadoye bitterness e wona kumam Obsinadoye enim sedi esi kasa oye panyi bi a sabeta frache oye panyi bi a sabe wanya wisdom oni wisdom enya panyi bi a na wisdom Obsinadoye ye penyi bia oni wisdom ade e friend wisdom no nyame anche ni bi nyame wanche Obsinadoye wisdom said ye sikasa no onya de he's not good at all enti sankrofo bi say no e woni pen ebie ni so say on a president on the MPP for penyi for na nam no obetima cause confusion obetima cause war obetima the problems about Ghana obviously the problems about Omanim because only wisdom he doesn't have it at all only be kasa nyane dia kasa enya Obsinadoye dia only wisdom sabeta frache nyansa ye friend nyansa no wa enya bi because see the this no ma we tia obviously the problem abrain Obsinadoye akasa manano ya trapo ana mamenka no kranche Obsinadoye wa hu mosifo yakase mosifo ye warriors o honestly my kind of kranche o bia unim omo afre omo mosifo no mosifo omo ya nkofo bi omo ya warriors Obsinadoye sa wo se meboa wo de yakoso ana ye mosi ni onfa wo se obetwese kan awo wakun atu street kwan so mi do nyame ana obi asu hu no obienu obehuno me ka no kra kyerɛw saudi wasem kokɔ mosifo so a me ka to sɛ wonkɔ because mosifo we are very very dangerous and warriors people honestly speaking to you mosifo yene yankoa ne wo mo we are yankoa they are our slaves we are slaves and me ka mu no kra kyerɛw sɛ mosifo we are warriors they are warriors people. If you joke with them, I want to be unkwaso. Me na make a chero. Opa busa kumase. Na busa say na mosifo tie. Busa ankran. Na busa say na mosifo tie. Sa wo wasem ko mo so a. Obsinadoye, be unkwaso ama. Make a no kra chero. And you are very very careful with Mosi people. Mosi ni akokra we Mosi ni kra no. O dangerous. O ya akokra na wo ba na wo yesi no. Mosi ni akokra o dangerous. Eti ebia you don't know omo afo mo osifo tina me ka kire ma wo se wodi hu akini pa Obsinadoye wodi hu akini ensem bi afiri wonu mu ba na ebon ye ka so obi nya citizen ana so obi nya on free oman mu a ede na wo de describe ni power nya citizen of Ghana Obsinadoye ede na wo de describe obi a onya citizen and also on free chrome. I don't know. Me new school au koye. Me new teacher ni ochire wade. Me nim baby ofre. Me nim ni papa ya woye. Me nim say the osihwe nipa. Me nim I don't understand you honestly. How can you say mosifo omonya Ghana fo? Eju was ochem say Prince Akuta na ye wu no abuabu Kumase no. Ne papa ye wo ne papa wo abuabu Kumase. Ya wo ne busuafo wo Kumase no. Onya Ghana ni. Obia ne be 4th generation and the 5th generation free Kumasi. Ya wunu Kumasi atete ne maame ne papa ne busua ne nana nyina ya wo mo Kumasi no. Wo obsina do yo pese o che me se sa ni pakoro onya Ghana ni. Na me ba mimia anasa me ba Tanisha ma wunu British no. How can you tell us onya British? How can you tell me bana me ma wunu British ha? Au kura British nationality. Ni kuom ni Britain. Aha ne wo no, aha ne yetete no. Aha no otuaba. Our right so betima ko stand and also betima contest to become the prime minister of this country. How can you say me bano onya British ni? How say na do eh? Sa wonim history a, kobusa mo osifo history. Kohwehwe mo osifo history. Eti adia na trɛw sɛ adia na ba utrim adenti na ukasa rough sa adenti na ukasa te sɛ obi a sebe tafrache ya ntete no ko sina do e sɛ dia wo kasa no asa ya ntete wo asa wo nya ntete ye asa mpanyimfo ni wo fie. How can you talk like that? Wo kan sem jasensem hunu ensem fun ensem wo ebetimi de empepemu ensem wo ebetimi de ntokwa abo my Ghana mu da bia me ba media so a amanfo mu didi mpanyimfo atem amanfo mu yiye mpanyimfo no da bia me kasa kire omo me kase yamfa ni die ema ye mpanyimfo yamfa respect ema ye mpanyimfo but osina do e panyia ubetimi ama entokwa ne basabasa esidie uhia didi atem honestly uhia say ye di watem uhia say ye kan samfuni nsɛmfi because ya hwe ya wo kasa tantan wo kasa na bo wonu mu no ebetimi di mpapa mu ene ntotoye ene ntokwa aba o my Ghana mu because wo kasa na type. How can you say Avram Ben Moshe oye Mosini na Mosifo free Ghana? Oh, Mosifo mu free. Moshe uni Moshe wane free Ghana. O senado uni Moshe wane yebeka so ye Ghana ni. Uni Avram Ben Moshe wane yebeka so ye Ghana ni. Wane o ye Ghana ni. Wo senado kwa won se Ghana ni. Wonim kra se Ghana ni. Oye Togo ni, ufri Togo. Oye Togo ni. Obi a ufri Togo. Una baba che obi a ufri Ghana ni obi a ufri Ghana. Oye Togo. Una nana nanu ina ufri Togo. Osina doye. Una nana nanu ina ufri Togo. Etu oye Togo ni. Onya Ghana ni. Edi ense mfono no. Tembi amu di division. Tembi amu di division. Tembi amu di mpapa mu eba nipam. Ya yankua no da mochifo yankua da gumba fo mochifo yankua we are slaves. And how dare you say obeka say slaves sir? How dare you? O sinadoye sia se de sikasa na bompa ye se nyankopon ma wisdom because wa nya bi ade e fe no wisdom no nyame anchew bi uni wisdom you don't know how to talk obie wa no ukasa anyhow you talk anyhow ebusuan mo we video a enama bonten hopes na doye so dia na aba oni bem mo she like I don't know maybe person mo she video na otimi kan semfun ensemfi ensem tantan sa muntie
mese mo bi say so fi go be so awa Ghana say what is what about brown fish that what sia bosini what about tra go ma say ni so so e bi kwasa sam jeri ba mosini ya ka Ghana say ma wo ya Ghana ni Abraham ya Ghana ni mosini ya Ghana ni oya mo hwe bebe abaka say mosi fofi oya bebe abaka le
me ba o muntie ensem a eye hopes na doye Ah, ye MPP ni. Or ye free MPP. Ah, or a politician. Emma a political party. A politician or what political party more? Sir President in Poko baby. Or Tivin etu kwan. Na mo hwe nsem fun as o di bini. As o titi bini anopa ne yire. Gift you say, as a gift you say, a bini and a woman di. As a tit unwa bini and a what it money di. As a unwa bini, a bini na one din wumfi, as a muti bini. O kasa wonum some phone and some fin. As a bini a free one ever go from. It's like you eat shit. Shan some phone and kwala sembi. Ah, papa penia wa body say no food jene white. Me dem say nipa wo start nya dwene a na wo say wo nya wisdom. Na wo de wo dwene na wo nya no. I mean you are rather acting like a fool. You are acting like a fool. You are acting like a child. Sabi akura oda no fo ano obeka nsemfun say. Akura oda no fo ano ye ma no fo no. Will you talk like this? O sinadoye akwala oda no fo ano obeka nsemfun sei ade udi bini ana wonum jonso onim nyansa papa panyi onim nyansa ade basabasa ade ntokwa ade abufuo ade basabasa ye beba o mamu nko na wo ye o sinadoye MPP government on tina so dada nyina o MPP government on tina akonya so dada. So if you say MPP nti and I will kasa roflosa or chira MPP over free akonya no so ako. Na do onya president for the rest of his life. MPP only akonya for the rest of their lives. Enti na make say mumu bi no you don't have wisdom mu ni nyansa. Because we nyansani a nyansani nkasa se. Nyansani on kasa se. How dare you? Unim se mo si fo bi support MPP. Unim se mo si fo bi support MPP.
These are the people who say, "Who is what you go so our Ghana say? What is what about grow office to that? What's your bossini? What about the Goma say near to so? If you pass some jeliba. Mosini, Yakagana sama, who ya Ganani? Who ya Ganani?
Mosini, Yakagana Samoa. Oh, yeah, Ghana. How do you describe somebody who is from Ghana? How do you describe Obi Oye Ghana? How do you describe a Ghanaian? Hope not Oye. Sekas Obi a Ghana. How do you describe them? How do you describe somebody who is from Ghana? At the end, they measure Obi Ofri Ghana. Because including the Ashantis, we are all from somewhere. You never settle or Ghana. Ashantis, Ghana. Just say, we came from somewhere to settle in Ghana. And what are you talking about? Maybe at the company, maybe Tamale, but we came from somewhere to settle in Ghana. Ashantis came from somewhere to settle in Ghana. And how do you describe somebody who is from Ghana? Mosinia ya wouldn't na Ghana. Mosit for settle Ghana. And yet no. And yet Eti, what are you talking about? Eti we can't say. Obiti say akuta. Ah ya wone papa ne nana. E o Ghana no, onye Ghana ni. Ofri he. Ofri Mosifo ye ko Ghana ntokwa no. Mosifo fought for Ghana. That's what Adizatu is saying, and it's true. In the history of Ghana, Mosifo omo a part of making Ghana. Omo ka hu na Ghana ya Ghana. Omo ka hu na Ghana atnase. Omo ka hu na G independence ma Ghana. And what are you talking about, Hosinadoye? Are you a stupid man? Unimi nyansa on. and someone I didn't papemu, and someone I didn't talk about, and someone I didn't basabasa beba, and a walker. Bausinadoe, Mosi for the men nadao, or we are warriors who. And Mosi for they don't care. So o triple echo wa Mosi for umbema wa unquiet yet, I mean I make catcher. Because Mosi for we are dangerous, men can nadao. So unima busa obia onim Mosi for say you musity. Mosi ni bebet ma free Burkina, a trap Burkina aba be do no ko. Ya huni bio, men I make catcher osinadoe. Mina minim di enti America sa achiro. Mina minim di enti America sa achiro. Mosi for we dangerous. Mosi ni akokra we dangerous. Akokra wo hosina doye a okra poma we dangerous. We are warriors. And we are fighters. And we are dangerous people. And I'm telling you. Eti Mosi for there. Man fa won sensem ankom ho. No kra na America achiro no. Sa wo se me boa. What ye kosua putuko na hade obebo nsem uni Mosifo or we are dangerous people. They are very dangerous. I'm telling you. So wo se wo adura sa na da no ni TV one TV any problem. What na say ka say obeko na mo beko Togo na de wo free Togo. What na do wo free Togo nya Ghana ni. Wo ye Togo ni. Won se Ghana ni kura. Because wo ti wo nyini bia sa. Oh yes, young man. Oh 40s, so oh 50 said then. Oh yeah, young man. Oh nyini bia. Ah wonim aye say no. E no kire be say wonya Ghana ni because say the onim tie no. Ghana ni bie no a wodi wo age na nim be say. Wonya Ghana ni. O free Togo. Oh ye Togo ni, we Togolese. Bia nwe ye ho ate. Bia nwe ye ho. Ye mpensam fu bia o Ghana ho. Yampe nchichemu bia o Ghana. Politicians from day one. What chicheni pamusa from day one, politicians what chicheni pamusa de bia we are tribal politics. De bia na mu chicheni pam. De bia na mu chicheni pam. De bia sem fu ade chichemu be ban ko na politicians mo ye. Esem fu ade chichemu ade mpapa mu bani pam ko na mo ye. Enti na ama Ghana ye ntimi nkoso no. Because ene so obi ba no oya de pampo na sebe on free baby a yes there bi we say ni eno na ene Ghana mo hwe baby a Ghana yadu mo hwe baby a Ghana ene yadu ene kuro na agi ni nsem no kuro na agi ni ho na ye chikra ema because of more stupid characters now and as some stupid tribal and whatever you are doing in the country you know and na ma Ghana ye ntimi ko enimu no. Because obi bakra no ya de papa na on free baby a or now on free a certain group of people more nipa no you don't classify him as anything. You don't classify them as anything. Any ene nyansa ye ninti and na ma ye kro no ekọ ekiri no nyansa ye ni nyansa say ni nyansa ka enye Ghana ni o ke ni nyansa ka enye Ghana ni Sama papa penny, what media so? I walk.
These are the people who say, Mobisa of the Grover, our Ghana say. What is what about ground office to that? What's Sabosini, what about the Goma say near to Tonto, and you pass some Jeniba? Mosini, Yakagana, some who are Ganani. Who are Ganani? Abraham Yaganani. Mosini Yaganani.
Oh, yeah, Moshe, baby, I say Mosi for free. What do you do about okay, what do you so what do you do about was ya?
Mosini, what a Ganani. It's some Fusa, so what the Munansa, one for Comali, I won't go see a book.
Mosi for free Mali.
Most for
Shen some four. Shen some phone and some fear nipa muba. Now MPP government would me entertain nipa way so or mo political party. Hobson Adoye na go MPP. Last minute who dey besi. Hobson Adoye over destroyed MPP party because he doesn't have wisdom. And nkatia baako be frank katia bebre mu a na pro nkatia na tete no. Hobson Adoye be pro MPP atete no. Oya pro party no. Because when sema oka as a political party person I want president to be through eko abrochire eko to ni ade na utimi kasa sei o Senadoye me so ne be go MP mu da mo nhwe mo de mo obia mark on the wall ho Senadoye will destroy your party oma MPP ababa we PSC CPP club better than MPP because of this man. Because in some way feeling no no as o di bini as a bini or tibini buntu and all that to no odi as o tibini and all that to no odi some phone see how he's talking as a one yantity Sabe Senadoye se nke tete wo bush mu a enwuram kura nka obeka sase ka nwuram ne tete wo ya tete wo fie mpo ana woni nwe ane just se boni jata bu kura ne tete wo nwuram a ka oba fie nka obeka sase na obi a sabi wo maame wo papa e wo abusua panyi e wo abusua na wotimi tena se as a leader a ka political party because you are part of MPP. You are part of them. And nobody can deny that. Now, Timika Sasiya, this is an insult. This is, I mean, you are disrespecting. Oh, disrespecting Moshipo. Which is really bad. And Moshipo, Mosi people, they played a very big role in building of Ghana. Listen to what the wisest King Solomon is saying about Moshi people here. Listen. Betty, what's not doing Betty? Me ba to wana wo sa video e mo fama media no volume no ofom wo sa video e bi no to ma me media no volume no ofom me sra mo mpa video e bi ma me de otumfo kasa no o te kokko so e kasa no me ba to wo video no to ma me WhatsApp sisi a e wo me UK line so wo sa video to ma me na me mo na o Senadoye ntie me da bi me video no ofom wo sa video yi no me sra mo mpa bi ma me na mo fama me na me mo na o Senadoye ontie asamo a Oti kokoso eka. Monko fa video no mame. Na montie. Dia oti kokoso eka fa mosifo ho. Enti ubeso chem se asantefo na otumfo ka se kanetete no ne yakofa mosifo ede ye ma bewo. Ebe ye nya nipa ma wo betena akonya no so no. Eti Saudi di Mosifo atemwa, you are insulting the Ashantis as well. Saudi di Mosifo atemwa, you are insulting the Ashantis because I'm American. Was it connected no? Yakofa Mosifo. Emma omoni ye ma be wo ye nya mema tintin. And clearly the wisest king is telling you. The wisest king, I tell say Mosifo e wa ahemfie. Omo ahemfie. And what do you say about this, Senadoye? What can you say about this? Mosifo wa ahemfie. And Saudi di Mosifo atem. Sa omunya Ghana fo a. Kwa ahemfie ko ka kire ahemfie. Na ka kire asantefo no bi se omunya Ghana fo. Okasa anyhow. Mosifo, they were part of building our country Ghana. So we nima na make kachiro. Mosifo ye part of building Ghana. Enya baby o Ghana by itself. Mosi people are part of building the country. They fought. Omo kuntokwa. Eka home ye independence ma Ghana. Enti Senadoye. Go and come back again. Ko na san biom. Na we tribalistic person. Uye obi a upe uchase mi hu nipa oye. Uwa free Togo. Obi a free Togo. Wo na ba betre obi oye Ghana ni obi onye Ghana ni. Uwa free Togo. You are from Togo. U free Togo. Wo na ba betre Ghana ni. Enya Ghana politics na cheap wa. Togo ni suit mi ba ebe kasamo yetie no. Ghana politics na cheap. Ka Togo ni ufiri ukrom Togo aba Ghana. Aba beka political party who ye politics. Ghana na so cheap. How dare you? Sa wo baba be jina Ghana na wo kan semfon, wo spitting garbage. All in the name of a political party, just because you are part or you support or you are part of the MPP government. MPP on town consider MPP ne tam beso amanako political party fu from Besaba. Enti obsira doye say wo se wonya ba bia bo atwere a twiri nyame wo twiri nyame a ena nyame a kyiri nanim na obi eni ho. Wo twiri nyame a ena wo kyiri abotan but say wo twiri MPP government a me say obsira we mark on the wall enche wo ba emobo enche sawa no fun na obi ebie captain semfon untimi mie wa no bium open market on the wall. And 24th December 2021 me say ebeka kra oba emobo ebeka kra wo hosina doye open mark on the wall me nyame nipa na me kasa no me nyame nipa na me kasa no ebeka kra wo oba emobo Ghana ho ebeka kra no oba emobo osua ina bejo osina do osua ebejo osua be moa wo osina do ye because unye nipa yedi ubuman unye nipa esenka okasa ma wiasiti o unye nipa jase esenka MPP fo no nante ade a eye pa kana na akufo do betima bold no apam wo fri MPP mu a na MPP fo nwu oni mase because oni mi nyansa honestly oni mi nyansa mempanyimfo di ata mempe aya ade bia mempe this unsa medi di panyi bia ata mo this panyi a sebe wagimi a oni mi nyansa me do nyame because wo sina do nsema wo kan aya nsema betimi di basa ya ba ekrum aya nto asema betimi di ntokwa asi ekrum aya nsema betimi di ntokwa aba basa betimi aba aya nsema hye ni pabufuo so ba betra media so na wodi nkrofo bi a sebe omo nananom ade omo mogya gu fom omo nananom akwa akon amye kunkum omo nananom abagina akon anim akon ama oman Ghana ama oman Ghana etibedru sam pempenso yi na wotimi gina media so na wodi omo ni twitwi fom na owuo na omo nananom wuye no mogya na omo di gu fom se ena omo nananom so be enjoy the beautiful fruits of our great nation. Now betima gina media so media so to discredit them. Ebusia hosina doye mosifo na omukọ akon ema o my Ghana no mosifo na omudi omumogya ani omudi odo so ekokun tokoma o my Ghana no. And the hosina doye is discrediting them. What chese o ma wunkwase ewu. What chese o mogya no a o mo di go from ema me ni enu say yemrambe enjoy the beautiful fruit of our nation. And the hosina doye person o kire say o mo kura de o mo ye nne o mo ye nkwaseafo o mo kura de o mo nka o mo ye nsamanfo. Hosina doye una na kwa akoma Ghana. Hosina doye una na okwa akoma o my Ghana. Una na kwa akon a mayenche una na ne di ni ehwe o sia do sa uko Ghana history mu a wo se Abubakar Moshi Audu Moshi what Abubakar Moshi Audu Moshi on could they fought They fought. Omo jina front line. Now na naka hu bi. Now na naka hu bi. O tina do e. Una na bie no okun ye because ye hu togo din bia wo. E ya Bukari Moshi. Ngene frafra. Adama Tagumba. Now una naka hu. Na no ba discredit ye. Yan kan yentia. Yan kan yentia.
Comment c'est bien tout tonton? Et nous passer ça m'teli ba. Moi aussi ni, ya kaga na sama o ya gana ni. O ya gana ni. Abraham ya gana ni. Moi aussi ni ya gana ni.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Just imagine. How can you talk like that? How can you talk like that? Degrading. I mean, putting your forefathers. Your forefathers are omuti omumoja. Ekoji Ghana no. Awu ene wabetena se a sebe utika kraka utiko no sebe die bi. Utipafu sebe die bi. Nwa wabetena se. Di o matem. Gu o mani mase. O sina do nya me be bisa wo. Allah ya isa, wallahi Allah ya isa maka. Mun barka da Allah, Musa sun barka da Allah. Bayina sun barka da Allah. Sun barka da Allah, Allah ya isa. Kai mutumin banza ne wallahi, kai babban banza ne. Kai babban banza ne usina do wallahi sallahi, kai babban banza ne. Allah ya isa maka. Allah ya sine maka albarka. Allah ya sine maka kanka kato kaman giginya, itacen giginya. Kai mutumin banza ne sosai. Wallahi ba sa hankali da wanga mutumin banzan gaba billahi illazi la ilaha illa huwa. Wanga mutumin banza zai kawo tashin hankali cikin kasan Ghana. Saboda wauta, irin wauta, wawaye irin wa'inga mutane, na ransa da girman Annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wauta suna hasasa fitina da tsiya ne cikin kasa. Wani ne shegantaka kenan? Babban mutum ka zo ka zamna kanka kato uti ka kraka pafu uti ka kraka uti pafu sina doye. Uye penyi bia uhie didi atem. Penyi we bi na mudi na temo a cool. Because penyi obetimi di ntokwa aba. Because ntokwa ne ba enkwala ene emma entokwa ne ba uyiri gift you say. Awa kwa ne tono ne tupafu no obere wodane. O sina doye uyiri gift ya doye. O di Jimmy o ka Jimmy semwa. Onwene oyire no ho. Woyire na wakwa so wakwa ne tuo sadenyo. A no to e pafu no. O sento koba gift you say obere wodane. Gift you say na wo ware no obere wodane. Wo de sa wo togo obetima ko hyewo. Na gift you say o kwa be so obefa so ede de tuo dwane. Afa na obere ni tuse no di dwane. Obe dwane ya tru awie ni ate no ta ne yakuno. Se gift you say ya tene tata. Wo o sina do ye obere wan na be wale. Because say wama say Jimmy abe in capital letters. Jimmy was small letters. But wama wo de a grow abe do capital letters Jimmy mu. Jimmy so do capital letters erase a be Jimmy erase no. I don't know what to say wo ye no. I don't know wo ye no because you are causing fear and panic. With Dampare, answer Dampare by now or invite you. But Dampare is quiet. Because travelistic talk. Kromana go sinadoye kasa say ya. Ka go sinadoye will be questioned. He will be questioned. But he's walking freely. And Samuya Sana, ni on say favoritism be cause what baby. Favoritism. Because this is, I mean, he's causing fear and panic. Because and the motion for wofu. Motion for wofu. Ebia no muso abeka bibi. Na akwatriga bibi. na ye gram enti no mpemfo ka o masem se bibia ankoka papa enti gra. He's causing fear and panic, and he's attracting war in our country and in our communities. Or attracting war, or attracting tokwa, or attracting trouble war. And a trouble war, who clutch a war. Because trouble war, no, say, idea is serious. Because the sea, some of us so sebe, almost pie, no almost bedidi, I before them. Now before so did most for them. Not most for so did I before them. Now fairly a bet any. Not to say Mosini I be. Now quite to qua. The gomba for the support. Well, for Waka support. Now support. But you know, now way. Now into qua. Now fairly you can come your Morgana. And I check Nigeria. Nigeria. Boko Haram. And normal Ekokosu. Christopher mosque church. No Yakukunkumomo. Nankemo near Kukunkumomo. Is that what you are attracting in our country? Sana open. Now we damn parry. Why you shine? It's not good. Oh, here question. Oh, here so mobile friend. Ni acheno said yes it's omo esi acheno because baby I want your friend Great Britain now most museum mono nobody can come on air and discriminate. Now it's not allowed in this country. It's not allowed. So why in Ghana? Why are we entertaining this man? Why are we entertaining him to destroy our beautiful country? Why are we entertaining him? So because he's under a political party like MPP, so nobody can talk. Yebe jano on the onka sanko. Onka ni Jimmy bi opeso okabi onka. And tokobi opeso odi baby on famra because he's under a political party. Why? I don't see this to be right. This is actually going to cause a very big problem in our country if we don't stop this man. Say MPP, someone stop this man from talking because he's not gifted. He can't talk. Onye speaker. Hopes na doye uko se uko pe parliament akwatena. Unso man to aba na ma. Oman to ama. Obi enu oto aba ma. Wanya vote kura, wanya 6 vote kura. Sa ukododowa kwan so e hona nko okope MPAD obi enfi no hwana be fiu because mosifo ho etike omotoma wo se kwatra parliamenta ka hwen sem fu afi wonu mu ba na say wo favorite that you are discriminate na baby a wo kope MPAD no anka wo pese ye ba wo betena e kwatra parliament no e ho mosifo ni ho frafrafo ni ho da gatifo ni ho ni pabia wo ho. And it's our person a good politician. Esa funny penina na omunyina ba ko way. But no, who did you be atem so we must see no free garden? Who free Togo? Ya ka also free Togo. Who you Togo ni? You are Togolese. Onya Ghana ni bi eni what nim to say. Ghana ni bi eni one tika kraka te Saudi. Ebi ni ho. Ghana for your class sexy head. Ghana for your head you sexy. Ba shawuti. Ghana ni ben and tis kakrakasi. Na she said you wonim tie, wonim na ho, wonim ay poto. Ghana ni ben and nima Togo. Because Togo wonim atu ay poto ay atutu say. Onya Ghana ni. Ghana ni bien one it is so sa. We have sexy head. There was sexy head. And your beautiful skin. What's your skin out it you? When you meet, you know, this thing. How do you call this thing? I poto. A Togo face. Who you Togoning? You are a Togolese man. And I wonder why MPP will be giving you, I mean, the president in Kobebia. Ah, nana. Enti wo ko ba bia papa we a wodi ni di nechi, we a wodi di wochi, we ye. Nana wo ko ba bia obi a nana Great Britain and a titi Nana Akufo-Addo. Now wo ko ba bia no kofa akwa be onim kasa yi na odi wochi. He doesn't even know how to talk. He doesn't even know how to talk. He talk trash. He talk as if he eats shit. Tete no said you titi kedi wa yi ayama musuo ka wo be ye de wo be patagots no ombufu a na ya twon na de wa patom. Uti we bi na de patagos, small goals, smaller goals. Na uti we eno na de ye. Eni woni mu ye mu sei no na ya chichi mu baabi baako. Se bosom bufu a na ye baako. Na ya ka small goals take him. And then the wiase ayefu. Ama goals no se so omutimi we chicken, omo we goat, omo we sheep, omo we hen, omo we krokro ni ade. Kanye sanka wo koda, ka time na ka wo koda. Kedi wo ya paye ama goals no long time ago. But then omo so I mean internet world. And the gods are also here watching. They eat chicken, they eat salad, almost like they eat good. You're very careful. And yes, sir. Say, yeah, just say, adia me you media soon. Who say we nipa. Because who say, you know, we penny bia, na say we penny bia, sebeta fracture. Ese Ghana for diwatem because unimi nyansa, honestly. Unimi nyansa. Adia unsa ujimi na unsa me nkasada. Because ujimi na it's got nothing to do with me. Cause ujimi. But Jimmy obe Jimmy. I would tribe ebe system akosu ntokwa akosu ebufu akosu no mabi non. Ende ebe ntwema wo. Mama who be bia usu wachi free. We togoni. Because Ghana for, like I said, no, we have sexy head. Your head is sexy. We have sexy face. We have sexy skin, not poor toe skins. Ghanaians don't have that. And you are not proper Ghanaian. You are not a proper Ghanaian. Ahana me de men sembisi. Menkasa. Timinu anu mosifo. Sebe omuye yenkoa. They are our slaves. We are their slave masters. That's why I'm not no. Yeah, almost slave masters. We are until how dare you talk to our slaves like that? How dare you talk to our slaves like that? Hosna doye, sa we Ghana niya. Sa unya Ghana ni, we Togolese. Jeni ye Ghana fonti ma ye nkasa. Gani Ghana for me ye nkasa. Gani ye kura asasi o Ghana me nkasa. Onya Ghana ni osina doye. Me kano kura chiro. Onya Ghana ni ena mosifo na okọ masem no. Omo ye nkoa, they are our slaves. And you can untimi nkasa nche slaves sa. Ema maybe ntina se nhwe wo sa. Mintimi nhwe wo sa. Enti when you first and last so be kan sem fonsa sem mosifo firi Ghana fo omo firi utiri so no wa pampa so uti omo firi uti se uti asase mo nkotena so hey me pesa me 1 or 2 callers 00447473818331 1 or 2 callers pena me ko ene 24th yes Muftau Puina aba mosifo hene aba mosifo hene eye Muftau Isaka Puina aba oha Muftau Puina aba mosifo hene oha etie me Sarki Muftau Puina aba oye mosifo hene o tie me oha na Sarki Muftau Puina aba no o ye Ghana ni chere Sarki Muftau Puina aba Sa we Ghana ni a, we Ghana ni che Sarki Muftau Puina ba. Mi busaw. We Ghana ni a, we Ghana ni che Muftau Puina ba. Sarki Muftau we Ghana ni che. Mi busaw Ohzina do. Ombra be ka ne hwe. Oni ma mamre ni ma mane e chen. Oni Ghana inside out e chen. Si eka obi o ye Ghana ni a wo Ohzina do. Me busa se o ye Ghana ni che Sarki Muftau Puina ba. Bra be ka ne nti. Bi bie no o bi bia chen. No fe chen o ye guy chen o ti Ghana nsem just bi bia woni bi chen. Bibia from head to toe. Ntimi fa ho tutu no. Untimi emfa ho tutu no. Bibia woni me chen bibia, me si bibia. Ofri Togo. Ofri Togo. Sarki Muftau Puina ba. Odi hini wa Asante region. Odi hini e wo Kumasi. Kumasi. Otum focus I want it. Mrs. Video mo pembre me na me mo no ntie. Wo se kadetete no. Ye famosifo ne ye bewuye. Em ye nya nipa. Emane betina akonya so. That means otumfo be so o che say akonya no so kro omote no. Mosifo te so. Mosifo eni dagombafo. Video no na ni volume akofom. Video no volume no akofom. Kama pese mutie video no, se di otumfo kan no. Was it connected no? E famosifo emi nya nipa. Omo anya mo o. Omo nya nipa. Amu bedi akonya no so. Video no me volume no ofom na nka pese mutie de oti kokko so woka no. Ye Wisest King Solomon eka. Emi ya wase kane no ne ekofa mosifo ema omo be wayen Asante kasa no woka lopsi na doye ema omo be wayen ema ye nya mema. How dare you? How dare you? Ema ye nya mema. E mema omo nya mema ema omo be di akonya fa wonu twitwi fom ate. Fa wanu twitwi binim wanu fa twitwi binim na jansem fone nsem fini nsem polo kika no. The Wisest King na ekasa no. The Wisest King Solomon on na ekasa no. Fa dogombafo e mo be waye me nya mema we mema e kasa mema bibiemu e mo nya mema e bema pa pa mo nya mema kotia hwa o mo nya mema e mema men obi piaw mo nya mema e mo betina akunya no so. No. Yenye nipa emo betina akunya no so ahini akunya no so. He Ohzina doye won uchimi no won uchimi keka no won be bia lande o. Wisest King Solomon is talking here telling you that omko fa mosifo emo be wa o mu ma omko fa dogombafo emo mu wa o mu ma emo munya mema emo mbetena akonya no so munya mema enti fa onu twitwi fo mote fa wanu etwitwi fom fa wanu twitwi binim fa wanu etwitwi binim ebini fa wanu ko twitwi binim o kasa ase wudi bini ase bini ena wudi anopa sorry a o yere gift yourself bini no no ase begidi suenyansa tama so say obi esuenyansa some tribalistic talks no tribalistic talks we free ha ya na no ina wo mo okumase o ya na no ya wo mo okumase opsina doye brabe che Ghana fo be wo na o free Togo baby Togo sapele nwura baby ena ba Ghana ena ba wo ya na no ya wo mo okumase Asante region me da gombani me da gombani some phone and some fin name disrespect you talk anyhow you talk trash mo disrespect ni pa anyhow mo bie mo anu a asa mo di bini asa mo bini na free mo anu na mo ke kan some phone and some fin mo si fu free Ghana o mo free utri so no wa pampa so o kura o si free Ghana woni mo ese Ghana ni woni mo ese Ghana ni o hwe Sarki Muftau pui na aba nim na o hwe woni mo a wan free Ghana o hwe Sarki Muftau pui na aba nanim nanim asa just hwe nanim as wo twi pons be ma wo as wo twi pons na o hwe no ho ofe ne ho keka na ne hu siesie a wo kura o si free Ghana ni be na te se wo anya MPP party a party be na be ma wo di wo mochi anya MPP party na ayefu se MPP ayefu ana nipa bi ti se we nyina didi ekiri ma me njam wa ha mesramo a o person of 00233 no 0447473818331 0447473818331 me ba cho me pe 1 or 2 callers pe na me de ene me program no abawiye MPP na ayefu MPP ayefu aye selewa MPP aye selewa she aye selewa Sarki Muftau pui na ba na ekasa no was it's even funny come on he's my best friend too Sarki Muftau me man your best friend da oye tribalistic guy me man your best or from men for Sarki we dey want down ma ohene o flower men fa onye ni papa me o flower Sarki men fa because omuadie how can you talk like this o ka say say obi atiti bini she wonum what about media so buy catch us massa unya blogger you don't know how to talk don't
Baba betra goma se ni aso tonto e bi kwasa sam jeliba mo sini ya taga na sama o ya Ghana ni Abraham ya Ghana ni mo sini ya Ghana ni
just imagine the amount of
mo sini baba betra goma se ni aso tonto e bi kwasa sam jeliba mo sini ya taga na sama o ya Ghana ni Abraham ya Ghana ni Mwasini ya Ghana ni
hwankwasi asem just nkwasi asem Mwasini ya Ghana ni Abraham oto aba ma Togo fo Abraham oto aba ma Nigeria fo Abraham o voters register or register as a oto aba e wo Ghana okra Ghana passport Waya Ghana ni ya wona wo Ghana awone ma amene ne papa nyina wo Ghana onyini wo Ghana onim Ghana nso didi wo Ghana wo just Ewurade papa onya Ghana ni mo sini timi ya Ghana ni hwens papa wo timi so di bini gift you say a bini and otiti gu papa na num oyere wotiti bini oma obini ma wudi oma obini e bini na wudi ana make offer Togo. He's from Togo. Onya Ghana ni Ghana politics na cheap and ni pabiti same way etimbekasa because you are not a Ghanaian. Mosifo ya ka omo kuntokwa e ma Ghana ye Ghana omo kuntokwa e ma Ghana ji omo independence mosifo omo ye number 1 omo di omo moja omo nananom na di omo moja omo di omo moja ku omo Ghana omo di omo moja egu from Ghana e ma Ghana be ye Ghana. How? Mosi ni timi ya Ghana ni. Ka bretiana papa ika asemu ya ka ene ka de wie ya ba. Kombe twi ni hwa. Ka bretia. Kombe twi ni hwa, wo hwa. Kombe twi wo hwa. Ai, ka bretina kombe twi wo hwa, ka na wo hwa yi. Kombe twi wo hwa ni hwa be tie. Ka betchu shwa bretian ke betchu shwa ke be so on be twitchu shwa because we a stupid man. But don't parry we na we you wo bu oni aguso eno de wonte nipa okoso tribal war no okoso nsensem what in tokwa na eba o my Ghana because we na timi din tokwa ba no ene moshi ni bi ekohu no tuhye ne so a ye ba be kina kotum na kakra na moshifo so akase ye ntia se na sei na dogombafo ya ba be support na we akọ support na we akase. And they didn't talk about. How can you talk like this? This is, I mean, akwala kura sebe ana buo kura de zoo.
Me say, mo bi say so fi go be so awa Ghana say. What is what about grow office da? What sia bosi ni, what ba betra go ma say ni so so e bi pa sa mi ba.
Wa ba betra krom ha. Wa ba betra krom ha. Obi a ya wo no wo kro bi so. Ya wo no. Te say me mai. They are British citizens. They are born here. Osho passport wa nationality British citizens. Sabe me kura British passport. Na se me di boni a ye be gi passport na ye di makofi because that's where I come from. I'm from Ghana. Me free Ghana. Me free Ghana. But se me ba no di boni wo krom ha. They don't take her anywhere. You didn't go to prison. Or then a sentence you hear near John. Into a British citizen because she's British by birth. And to say, "Cause will be a citizen and now free Krobiswa. Dear NHS will be free Krobiso. Why the free Ghana? Why the so no Ghana or Hono free? Me pacho me busamo. Why no see Ghana Hono no free? Yeah, in free Ghana. Maybe other one bani. But in free Ghana, Usha ya see a generation in free Ghana. Account for Usha free Ghana. I before free Ghana. Yeah, you know, I one yaba settle our Ghana. We are all Ahohos and we settled in Ghana. And it is a generation upon generation. And he Abraham Moshe or Ghana ni 110%. 110%. Or to be the president of Ghana. Or to be the minister of Ghana. Or to be the MP of Ghana. Hey! There's a mumbo be a dini be mame. Samira Baumia, tieni adoye tieni Samira Baumia, Dr. Baumia ne yere Samira, o en fulani ni. oye Fulani ni, but she was born and bred in Ghana. But the chief in Fulani. Eti oba so chem se Samira onya Ghana ni meboa. Mumu sa osinado ese Samira eye Bawumia yere no. Onya Ghana ni. Samira Bawumia oye Fulani. Neti free Ghana, neti free Mali. Eti Samira Bawumia onya Ghana ni. Samira Bawumia onya Ghana ni. Why na mo classify as a Ghanaian? Why na Ghana ni? Why na mo so Ghana ni no? Why na Ghana ni no? Say Abraham Bemoshe oye Musini free Ghana.
These are the people who may say, "Mummy says what we go so our Ghana say." What is what about grow office to that? What Sia Mosini, what about the Goma say near to talk so? Let's do by some Geneva.
The Amintia said, "Was it was Sia Mosini? What about China Chrome her? Offering him for no better Chrome Prona Wokan. I'll free him. Offering him for and no better Crona Wokas or Onya Garden, you offering him for the Baha or Bagana. I don't get it, honestly. Mentiasie. When we now see when we are Ghana opinion fool. Sabi we, Papa we are two. When we never be mine. I don't know how Ghana uncle honestly. Because the president go baby now okofa we etina to quite together. We dey no beti mai. We misramu. Nyansa be na o papa we timu obetimi say be a president kura wo chia. Obeka say, "Oh, Mr. President, you are cheering." Nyansa be na wo timu as a president chia because nipa bia nipa. President can cheer. And when the president is cheering and you are working with this kind of people, how can they say, "President, you are cheering, so let me tell you"? He can't. And he Kronberg Akoso. Mr. Mu, Crowe, a bed Akoso. One cannot crunch. Ghana de enya yo. Ghana nyadi be yeda. Because when you have people like this, how can the country move forward? Nothing will happen in the country. Eti me hwe Ghana na me hwe mo lineups na me hwe nipa mo de achie ne left and right. Metimu say no, come on. How can the president, nanka UK prime minister, nanka obi ti say Osinadoye wo UK ha, na prime minister ko ba bia na we oka squad o mo kon. No. Enya possible me ka bibia. Enya possible. Enya possible da me do nyame. Enya possible de biara da. Osinadoye me bakwa was 7 years. Me ka bibia obetuma che onyansa. I swear me do nyame. Me ba was 7 years. So me bakwa TF sa video we. Na asem obeka kire ono. Hobson oda wontimi na. Me ba o 7-8 years. But ade be fi nanu oba be ka kire ono. Wodo ti be pem dan. Suanyansa o na wiase aye global o. Suanyansa enya sa mu Jimmy no be international. Because we Jimmy etibi international. Say CNN for frau. As a person a woni president move. Na CNN frau. Na asama wo kan yi. Na so mo question wo so a answers be na obetimi dia mo. Mo men kan kro. Enti we kro we kro. Say CNN afre ho sina do esi ase. Oni Abrantie bi efelu Abraham Bemoshe enya ntokwa. The Abraham Bemoshe no ya wo no Ghana, ya wo ne papa o Ghana, ya wo ne maami o Ghana. Na as somebody a wo ne president nante. Na utimi ka say Abraham Bemoshe no free Ghana. Moshe ni kwasia wo free muntie na asem no muntie o. Eno kra na me hu say papa no.
These are the people who may say, "Mummy says what we go so our Ghana say." What is what about grow office to that? What Sia Mosini?
Was it Mumusa na se ofri krobe so Ghana? Mumusa no, was it Yemusa no? Se ofri krobe so Ghana. Mamenka se mincho Osinadoye. Me de gombani. Me de gombani. Ba sa obusa me ameka to se me firi Kumasi. Because e ho na menim. E ho na ye wo me. E ho na ye tete me. enti so obu sam say kama wo free here meka to say me free Kumasi me Kumasi ni on twa meka won say dem si kasa me Kumasi ni I was born and bred me furuma we ehye Kumasi o enhye tamale ho e furuma we ekura me no ehye Kumasi ho ne tutu di hyeye ya fa nko hye tamale ho enti wo busa me meka to say me enti na me ba meka say me ye deshi konkrom wa Ashantere de Kumasi wo busa sarki mufta opui na ba meka to say oye Kumasi ni ubusa no beka to so Kumasi ni se odi bi ko dina tamale me ko dina tamale mu hu se me ware wie me ko tamale I want to tamale minim hwe wo de omotie se de omo life sitie se de omo I don't know anything me duru wo me te se odwan anase krama hoho wo hu krama wo ye hoho da se krama ye hoho no osi kromu a otwa ne si me do tamale sana na me hoho I was a stranger in Tamale because enye ho na me free I don't know anything ubusa me dagomba kasa kura me nti but bra Kumasi ho na beto me ho come to Kumasi unti na me de ayi atichiri miti no obusina doye because ya na yeti susu sei no kanyansa gutrim enti na me ba wo sabe di wei atichiri miti because me pese o mu behu se me tukura so because one matrikese for the jimifo tina me di ade ya atichiri miti na munim me plan ade na sane because ni pa otisu anka adwene a ese da otim se ni pati so atikitikiti a na adwene no because ni tiri ne size na adwene e de ma no adwene a e wo ni patim no adwene no sa otisu a wa adwene nka ese eketuwa bi ne de hye otim wa adwene ketuwa otisu so a adwene no be bozin into space wo mu a ubetimi atenki amache se obi a ne tiketwa no hu se akoy de ne tikakraka no enye tikese ekwa wo no ma wum wo de hwini enti what disappoint me enti na me ba mabodi kuno because I don't want to expose my big head because of you because you are disgracing us we any mercy and what ma tikese ya de useless organ because adwene an kese wo timesi Avram be Moshe die ne tikiti sese yi no na nka na adwene tikiti si na adwene because ne tiswa enti na adwene nka ese ye keto na ehye ho ba wo utika fo utika kraka bibie ni utim nya se bie nim ogun ho ni mase enti mai ka kira mo sa ade na sane dia enye tikasi ofo nyina ne tesa memiti so but nyansa wompa nyansa wom me ade esem ye ne ade ani kwan sem ye ma papa wonim mi busa no se CNN false friends CNN o kas ye kase asem na ono akan no oncheche mo busa no ye busa so okay Abraham be Moshe ofiri here obeka hen gen ko kam ye ntia o se fura ne fo ofiri Mali Moshe fo ofiri Mali wow when no mu lead politics I mean ya bon kanu kru ehini yebeko wasi fulani fuo papa we observe would near here nye would near comedy nye because ni Jimmy nyefe comedy your comedy obi o ni Jimmy efe what you say would near comedy nye would near teacher nye would near police nye would near na emo kura say yes o kai friends en fo ho ayi omo ayi wa mo for kura Ghana security yes we ka ho we Observe Ghana intelligence for we oka hu Ghana call for intelligence. After say bibi ba o na e go gens national security. Obsinado e part of national security. Obsinado e. Na obsinado e kusie kro obetima chi no. We obetima chi kusie. Ni national just say oka ho a ada no aba betena se no oka wo ye ko Germany ho a na me se hwe de o kire. Obsinado e mi do nyame sa wo tena se 2 seconds. Ni ebusa question ba ko miru biensa. O untimi nka hwe. Oba menim se MPP for my ayi oma down kun so my omo I don't know menim bro o play honestly enya se media wo me do nyame honestly menim role a Obsinado e play o MPP I don't understand me just oyere ewrade we wo chemu a enyama ofimu a ense hwi MPP party Obsinado o chemu a ense ne ma ofrimu so a ense hwi ofrimu kura dia ahoto aba because mo how many votes and a sesi a woma MPP elusu and then ye to Ghana aba and then anke ye kwakoto aba mimi ye mo senior me to my MPP just because of Obsinado e some of mimi ye mo me to no because at the end of the day no o che wiase kura se me mo senior no kura me hu hia eti die enti na me to aba na wo bra betena na wo president mra betena so na se Ghana e ko ba bia wo ya ma seat se wo so tenem na wo ni president nko America na wo ni president nko Germany mon kan kire me eti we mu sa nipa we mu se me se ka first no a ka we ye na ma bosoma mo ma wenda dada nananom ne atwa ne moja egu foma ma nananom na oma sakene blood because ni moja nananom a na ese de ma omo the rest of the meat near their two puso epum na fish so awe because he only nyansa honestly speaking utina media so bold ebusa se Abraham be Moshe na ono ya wo Ghana no ya wo Ghana o ye Ghanaian citizen ya wo Ghana o ti onye Ghana ni no free wo busa na se ye musa so free se woni akotia o yakotia ni ofiri akotia ya wonu kumase o ofiri kumase ofiri o Ghana ni ana se Abraham Moshe eba Britain ha ana okọ America no okodi ewu ni e china ya beka so ofiri look at this I mean I don't understand people say na Abraham Moshe yemfa so okọ America mo okọ akodi boni ana se wakofa nduboni bi akọ America ni a che no na eba news mu a se Ghana niya efe na Abraham Moshe wakofa cocaine 1 tons e dey aba America ya beka so ofiri America ni no be report saying so ofiri Nigeria ofiri Wagadugu ofiri Togo ofiri Benin ofiri Israel ofiri Russia we a useless man we a very very useless man suase ni sikasa suenyansa because once suenyansa Facebook you nkoso nyame anim no krani because asama waken pie bra bonte na bepa mosifo achew wo we be did you atem guy ya wo TV me be ba bonten e be ka se on pie mra no bepa wachew e ma oni pie bepa wachew minim se saw unim nyansa se yanka mama ya bepa wachew bido nyame because unim nyansa you don't have sense full stop you don't have sense usiaro se nyansa se say dia wuye Oma ene wo generation na gift yourself pa ukununi u gift yourself ukununi but where waware no ukununi waware obi a sebeta frach onimi nyansa me donya me oni me kam bibia be kam sense onimi nyansa ba ku kura ni tim ena wo kura na wo ye ne na onimi tifie onimi se onimi nyansa because onimi nyansa he's not sensible at all. He's not never sensible. Because nyanseni bien wa saka se fini ka satan time we be fini no aba. Unless obeso o di ye man etu
These are the people who say, "Mumisa so free go so." Our Ghana say, "What is what about grow office that?" What see about me? What about try go say near so.
Tio, what say Mumusa na say o free go so Ghana. What is say what body crew leader? Now what's na what crew leader? Mumu say osina do say onu wa betra media so body crew leader. Omo crew leader. Yanti baby you free because as far as I'm concerned and as far as I know, we are Togo ni. Unya Ghana ni. You are from Togo. As far as I know or as far as I'm concerned, you are from Togo. We are Togo ni. We are Togolese. Unya Ghana ni.
Ebi pasa samu jeriba. Mosini ya Ghana sama o ya Ghana ni. O ya Ghana ni.
Abraham ya Ghana ni.
Mosini ya Ghana ni.
Oya mo hwe bebe baka se mo si fofe. Oya hwe bebe baka ne hwe oya so oya hwe de baka kwasia.
Mosini o ya Ghana ni. Esanfusa so wo ni munyansa wo fa komali e bo bo si ese biko.
Just imagine. Was Mosini every Mali? Mosini free Mali. Samira Baumia mo ne free Mali. Omo ne Fulani fo. Samira Baumia mo omo ye Fulani fo. But onu kwa ye Ghana ni Samira Baumia, she was born and bred in Ghana. But na chi every Fulani oni Umaru Kofi Gaza omo ne Fulani fo, omo free Fulani. Ne chi omo chi free Fulani. Samira Baumia o Fulani ni. Eti na hu na wo bo se no hwe ne tintin no. Ne hwe ne tintin. Samira Baumia bo se no hwe ne ay tintin si Fulani fo no no. E no bo ye tian. Fulani ni omo chi. Tini na nanom omo ye Fulani. Nti no omo ye tian sa no. Because omo ye tian Fulani fo no. But Fulani was it Mosifo who feel Fulani as a Ghana politician. Now we are throw near the interviewer near Busa say Mosif come from Fulani. Omu free Mali. Samira Baumia ne Fulani. Ni oye Fulani ni. Oye Fulani ni. But Moshe no. Who see on back to you free Ghana, why Ghanaian citizen? He's Ghanaian. Moshe odi no Fulani ono Mali ono. Chale, papa we di ne chia home. Nyansa bi ani ni tim. Nyansa ni tim. Honestly, my country no. This is the first time one make show because we penny, but we penny ni penny a obetimi de ampapa mu aba omamu. Ubetimi di mpapa mu aba omamu. Ubetimi aboman. Ubetimi di ntokwa aba. Media ntokwa edi aba. Enya asem kuto kronkro bebre media ena de separation ne ntokwa any tribal wars ni ade. And tribal wars are more dangerous than say obi free Togo na money Togo fo enya ntokwa. Because anyone be go share forest no makum. But tribal war no within ourselves, within the country. Because ene say akoye say na akotija ekotija because say ya na atija bo se mosifo bu no ma start na aye da gomba for so omo ye nko a they are our slaves. It is a mosifo bu fu na ehun say yenkora no bu ofu a ye bedwa so a asama bagana asama ba ye bu fu a ebe ntokwa ne ye ku ne ye ho ye ho ku na wo su kromfo Togofo so beba na ye ni Togofo di ahyem. Oh na me chero ye ni Togofo di ahyem na Togo ya bomu na jese asama ba enti abusua mo ma menya mo na ma no nyame yanim no kreni nyansa no woni enti mo de mo fa na se sebe tafrache o ya atofo ni bi mo fa na sa na Ghana genya ya sumbi mo fa na so o ya atofo ni bi nze sebe tafrache ya le e no ya le enti die be firi na no ba bia no ono obeka onwene no wakasa ye woni pa odwene wo hwese de osika sa na clearly utmun se onwene ansa no wakasa ye woni pa wodwene na wakasa ene woni pa wonwene de be firi na no ba bia break nim no wo puaba eti se ofi no unsa ofi a break nim papa we ne kasa te se ofi no yi aba no yi aba onim nyansa mo mfa ne bone nchen mosifo me nuan me nko a mosifo a mo wo Ghana ene wiase mafa na nyina no mesram mo mfa ne bone nchen nyansa ne bi ni ho nipa so onim nyansa ja obey ne den sa no so tie ono so se die ositie no ntetie no ni jimi ntetie no ke mesram mo hu se abanfo bu ofu akuta mu tim fifre Halifa Faith omu ina tim fifre omu ina tim fifre omu ina tim fifre omu ina tim fifre wo hwe mosifo empanyimfo a omu gina ekoma omai Ghana wo hwe papa yi a wode ne moja egu fom ama omai Ghana we moshini enye ne wo hwe picture na eye more than years back we moshini efeno we moshini efeno Bukari Moshi wakonto kwa magana onna sise flying bullets kwa na mwema obetimi de nsa sum e dia performa mo my Ghana ye fe Bukari Moshi mfo nyina me de a kire mu no onie we Mosini a wakonto kwa abri ni mojeni ama o my Ghana ye fe Bukari Moshi flying bullets ya tutuo ta before say to the land from na Bukari ehuri na ode nsa so bullet nim si otimi so bullet nim si what wakni Bukari Moshi no flying bullets otimi de nsa so si what twa to form say de be ya wo obi ti say osina doye a woni nyansi obeba benya ahoto e wo my Ghana ye betena ekurum asundwiem ene wo hwe Ghana very peaceful Bukari Moshi mo omada woma ene ntokwa ene eniatia omukuma Ghana bless beyond belief. Was say Kama, how would you feel if British told you were their slaves? No. Yeah, grown yedi. Yeah, ni musi for ya agro eno nya wasem froko. Yeah, culture. This is culture. And amamere we yantuntwene omo ye nko a wo emfa ho. Yeah, ni omo so hu ya agro yedi eno it's got nothing to do with whether British or British many omo di agro. British omo ye me playmate. Many British me omo ye me playmate. Omo fi omo krom omo ye white people. And yes ye black people. And ye wo ya agro yedi. It's got nothing to do with British. We've got nothing to do with British. Yeah, black too. And ye di agro. British omo ye white. Omo fi omo krom many omo ni agro. Omo nyame namfofo. Omo nyame namfofo. Nti ye ni moshifo de eno nya wasem. Get out of here. Enti ebusuan ahana na dwumadi ni besi. Hopsina doye, like I said, many moshifo mo some bufu everywhere. Bebia bufu aba. We share uko peace dawa media. Halifa Faith. Just say onsu bufu usha kuta onsu bufu. Just say ubia bufu. Just say ntokwano omu bufu papa. Ntina ese misumi pie na mebe catch omu say omu nya abotre. Because bufu aba pa. Before mosifu bufu
die okikai yansa wo
mosi bi ya gada ni
option adoye die okikai yansa wo tribalistic no e wo mo panel na fom the person mi ere mi school o ono me kana say
Mosifo Unim Titino, ne throw on mono, Burkina Faso can throw Upper Volta. Ebia on them. Some of you, those who reside in Europe, North America, and other countries now, when they go to those countries now, they go there to seek a what? A citizenship for that country. Those countries in Ukraine can change. Now, more tribalistic and hatred towards people. What my kind of mopebia? What my kind of mopebia? What's your mosini? What about the Goma said he has to talk also? If you pass some jeliba. Mosini, Yakagana Sama, who you got any? Who you got any? Mosini, why you got any? It's some Fusa, so what the Munyansa, one for Komali. Apart from say what theatre one Mosini, who theatre Ukai. Asante, oh, Yena, no King Solomon, our Kumasi. Oh, they are aware. Me and me today. Me nana, I will fear what Kumasi. More than 100 years. Huh? Oh, nana will fear what Kumasi and Ainfa. When you go, see the Asante Kaye about Asante for Mosifo Nido Gomba for. See the yeah.
Can any of them Mosifo me ever why am in your mema?
Yeah, and then go Mosifo Mema to Shaka. Never to Shaka.
For me ever why am I in your mema?
What is our somewhere? Every year, anonymous, and nano. Oko Kumase, Ewo, Kingsway, post office on now. You will see a big, tall, something like this, billboard. Go and look at it. Who are those people who fought for Ghana? Unana kao, Upapa kao, Unana kao, Wamudi Obako, Karimu, Mosi, Fuseni, Dagomba, Alasan, Ausa, Kabiru, Mampurshi, Fafa. This way, all these are the Zongo Muslim people. Any northerners, Savannah, Upper East, Upper West, all these people, it is a Mibusao. Ofri from Wale, Kobalaga, Oduru Balaga Tanga, Navrongo, Balaga, and you all the way to Paga. No Asako Bako. All these people are Mosi people, 90% of them. So, can you tell me all those Muslims or all those Mosi people who reside in Bako, who reside in what do you call it? Balaga, Navrongo, Paga, and all those places, they are not Ghanaian. Sometimes you these people talk as if a fool is even better than you. A fool is even better than you. Because the hatred, amunya through tribalistic way, and nothing amobre, the mom, this is going to be your last warning. This is going to be your last warning. Keep coming. It's commemorated on the what? Accra Memorial. Wamudina Sergeant Alhaji Jimini Ali Fulani Isa Burushi Nauga Fulani. Sango 14 Kwarawaha. So, brother, on this side. Come to this side. Another one on the lieutenant of the East Africa. Come to Kumasi. I don't want to argue. Go to Kumasi and read. Who are those people? They are all from some. Shahanamina, I Kumasi, Ashanti region, our Kingsway. Most of them, Prophet Al-Jami Gruma, Salif Gruma, Tia Fafa. Zango Foni, who for lieutenant, lieutenant, Nina, Zango 40, Azuri Moshi. Oh, Sergeant, no, I'm finding Azuri Moshi. Okosha, Sa Lieutenant, Prophet Alaribo, Gruma, Isaka, Kotokoli. Wamu Irano, Wamu Zango 40, Wamu Koye, Sa Togoland. Togoland in the memory of those who gave their lives in the Great War of Togoland. Well, I guess I'll go for and a coffee shower. And yet the government Ghana, what will you want? Some go for no, what would you call about? When they attack any Muslims.
Okay. Oh, Sinadoye. So on say, I'm out for wofu because of your dirty and useless comments. Because of your stupid comment. Because of your tribal comment. Tribal, this is a tribal comment. To tell somebody who is from Ghana, somebody who is a Ghanaian, that they are not Ghanaians. This is a very foolish talk. You have to come out and apologize to the Mosi community. Yeah, because it's disrespect to the Mosi community. Sarki Muftao Puinaba, Sisi Obas was so crowded and down for Mosi for Oyahini, Mosi Hene, El Ghana, Kumasi. But ene wo so no kro wonya Ghana ni but so wo ye na damfo so ohu won se bebia Jimmy Airland o nipa wo no omu ye owo good terms bebre ohu omu na ohu omu a obi a wise asantini ni ade bebre mo sifo and they know it sankrofo ina omu akomam they will start hating you because you are disrespecting them, and which is very bad. Which is very, very bad. Sinadoye. Inti ese uba abontin. Na uba pa Mosi for and answer Mosi community at Chow. Because it's very, very disrespecting. It's very, very disrespecting and it's very dirty. Prince Akuta on Subufu Mosi Heneba Kumasi Ashanti region. On Subufu ye pa awe MPP ni mapan. Prince Akuta we MPP ni mapan. As Oko say Krom Kumasi, Oko in the city of Kumasi, the garden city of Ghana. Prince Akuta, Untimin Chaninya, or one of the popular youth Kumasia produce. Prince Akuta, one of the popular youth Kumasia produce. The wolf. And now Kumasi. Now you're organizing football. Now football a dom every free baby abba. A dom to free Accra. Tamale wa a babasha. Prince Akuta. Only to organizing football. Emma just say nipa on baba guono. Ube jane. Oye Mosini hineba. Oye Prince Akuta. Ni wofupa. Because also a MPP ni and the woman among for Sereno because a youth leader wo Kumasi and the people are laughing say and then who I will say we are MPP nimpo and the MPP for class we Mosini and then one man for Nyano one man for Sereno or MPP ni and he's playing a major role in the MPP. But a nephew, the wine. Abraham, we know the same party. We Mosi ne ba ankasa. Mosi hene a wo Kumasi ne ba. Ana hwede wa no. Or MPP ni you. But and look, because of your stupid and useless talks.
Any audience, wow, and some party. Ya Mosi for a good party, Mrs. Sam, Bobodina, wow, Beshoko, Udina Casas, and Yabulan and Frimfa. Mosi for the one with the key positions in Ghana. Some of the Moshi are MPs, ministers, and others. Who can start some Usu. Share necessary Wajini. No one some senses here. And yes, I did. Mosi for Ghana for those who are Ghana power, so Nima. Since me, I know, say, they will not come and say, me papa no come and say, me papa no say me. Me I don't come and say, me free fa.
What in your Prince Akuta Busau? Was it Onuna or Kasano? Some of the MPs, I am Mosifo. MPs in Ghana, bebre Mosifo so played a key role in building Ghana. And we say, no, ne papa, ne nana cry no kumase, ne nana no mudi adie, Mosi hini kumase, ne nana ne generation. And we say, no, okay, we free. Osinadoye, we say, no, free. He's also part of the MPP. Onu free.
Osinadoye, asema o kan twisan emboa wo ensamboa party mu. Ya Mosifo ekota party mu sesi ami bobodi na wo be shoko. O dina o kasa asema enfre, ya be na free fa. Mosifo do na ekota key positions in Ghana. Some of Moshi are MPs, ministers and others. O kasa asema o kra asema o kan unsu. Share nesi sawadini. Na wasa no twisan sesi ye. And that's idea. Mosifo Ghana for those who are Ghana power so nima. Sisi me ma me no kase. You no komase. Me papa mo komase, me papa na mo sini. Me na komase me free fa. O kanu ahwe no aka o kase yi ba. Trabalho in the best side party no. And to show kase me pa so na do asem we me ma wo warning. Me Prince Akuta mo sini me ba. Me free komase. Me ma strong warning. Asem pisai. Because as na ye pa me free na me free fa me free wo free na me free once me precise immediately because here party young people know the party ni here the ben kabum say ya 2024 the party be side bin kuni but what's my whole idea who come on for the party no observe how they how obi ka kana say ma oni kana say but me ya fit yes e free fa ye free na free observe how kase we pa ye party sa trabalho memfa ka party se ya no kase ye Mosifo me Mosi ni pa me papa Mosi no wa chante de na Mosifo do na ko say e Ghana agba ye MPP support MPP party na o kase asem wa e o de so kase mu ye pa na do ye so kase mu ye pa we asema me ni bi sa na me kan wo me na prepare me na prepare me kase asem we and me fa asem diagro. What is your problem? Obia can sama fanasam but yeah Mosifo ye figure na free fa. Be very careful. Wallahi many people say me can ya go na me no kan o. Me MPP ni me team about my MPP. Me ko MPP card. Me feel Kumasi, do mo Kumasi halaba. Me feel be bia me na na no Kumasi. Me ma no no Kumasi. Na me free. Ye free Ghana.
What did you catch on? Was it nana yowunu Kumasi? Nena no. Osinadoye obet ma chere Ghana for be a wonana. They say you gonna sack baby. Onana say you free sack baby no ba Ghana. That one what you say. Nena yowunu Kumasi. Nena no. It's in the 4th generation na Kumasi. O ba be chere baby a onana free. They say you free baby na buy. Nonsense. Some fool.
History. Even Ghana Constitution actually say before independence you are a Ghanaian. Now you me fee, me and fee for more than 100 years. Oh, say women feel me and me feel program, me feel private from inside, me feel measure. We see me feel passion, and me feel fan. So we can say me inside MPP party. I say I don't party, but somehow we can say I'm party. Who side party? Very man.
Ya wo Kumasi Akuta osu nsia twi. Wo le venture nsia twi. What you say? Entina mu ye no ye start video mu kasa ye wallahi walanga arna suna arna. Asembi se entina ye wo. O ka twi se ebere Osinadoye enka nkwasi asem. Ya wo Kumasi obi a wo nana ya wo Kumasi. Wo sori a wo di agura kana wasa babu kade. Baka zuwa kai wasa da arna ka ji arnanci we na ntia na omu kase na omu se usu we Kumasi citizen you are American chechi ya woka Akuta enunti enti kama mama ka twi ya ntsetwi alifa so ba ya ono so saa Osinadoye min kan kirawo Wo Osinadoye Mina fie wo free ye fie wo we anti no mo ye sa no we anti no mo ye sa no he prince akuta ne Halifa mo nyina mo free wo so ka say ne nananom fie 100 years Halifa ba wo so kan we so ka say 100 years meboa omo nananom no omo nyina mo free one umbrella and they were born and bred in Kumasi but omo chi no mo say and sounding encouraging omo chi no meka kira mu se munsia hyebuche na oye no ho oye komishani Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam se bibia sua ene wo hu metwi kenya na meka twi na akuta ne Halifa ene eja wo se mun katwi ya nipa kora ba asantefo iba kora mo nte hobsi na do yo nte de mo pese mo kire no ba me de obeti ne ama na wura ne kidney mo so mo ye Kumasefo ya wo mo Kumase ya wo me Kumase sa ne nyina ya wo ye Kumase sa ne nyina nyini wo Kumase ba wo de Halifa ne oti
ba me feel promise side me feel measure wo si me feel passion na me feel fa so ka se mi
akuta se wo si me feel Kumase na me feel him oh wait no oh yes ano oh
and party I said don't a party but somehow okay the same party who side party very man go me na be ba seriously brother wallahi party no embe nchichi mu me no kasese mo si for mo take key positions when people are one o sorry I will kasa asem so you are o pa me fi partner say o do dey kwan o no say MPP na mo si for is he supporting people? I want to why the party ban. You know so.
Yeah.
Over in fear, Mosi.
And okay. Some Mosi for you now, Pamo free MPP. You are bringing the party down because Mosi for mu do so pa. Omu otu for kaoti. Asante for bebre cry Mosi for. Omu nyina kasa omu nto bioma. On ha party no. Efia so asnega on na ye typical Asante nso no e short see afia na ye Asante but who be a taller most is if you trade your DNA mosi ene da gumba Jamaica what you say enti just imagine efia so asnega on the Asante ni complete what mistress for no dosun Mosi da gomba, mysteries for Dawson, mysteries. We have so many mysteries. And what are you talking about, Hobson Adoy? The first Akuta was a Mikakira, oh, Pammy, and now we are there. So, you will come so once you cheat in them. Oh, the vegetable. Cheat no Monte. The first woman to cheat doesn't mean they are not from Ghana. And yet, cheat need to boom. And you treat any woman.
If I like Abuba, mention organizer, Menuka say, now go constituency, mention South. Where Musini now see ye Musifo and Phil Ghana. They say, you know, Pesaukan.
What my put around?
They say, if you're Casamia, as I'm to sign, yeah, Musifo, me, but never Musifo, all the youth. The elders, the leaders, and the chief of Moshi in Ghana, and the more warning, as I'm not to sign. Shafiq, as I'm not to sign, me, through the beer, me, Casa, me, kind of street, me, supporting MPP, now, me, Casay, and to what I'm to sign immediately. And that's you will see us very soon, Betty and Car. Branya, happy birthday. One life, get you took her. Osanadoye, we warning, to sign. Immediately, as I'm to sign, most of African I feel yeah, African I feel. Okay, come and show us where we came from.
So what? Akuta say, but some baby you free. Oh yes, Tracy. No, what's it? So come on, you mean we Asantes are short? Yeah, Ashantis they are short. Honestly, Ashantis are short people. But the mistress, no. Na otiko ko so kan wanti mistress no se mistress no aba you know, mistress. Kane tete no tie yankuti alifa hon. Tiri no monte. Oh.
Any tribe in the Zongo community see a big thing about Asante 4, Mosi 4, Nido Gomba 4. Say that's not.
Yeah.
Can any of them was for me ever why I'm being a member?
Yeah, and then go for Mema
Kane ni akufo Mosifo mema tenten atenten ye kasa tenten a baby awa atenten agramo ni akufo Togomba fo mema tenten gramo be wale ye ma emnya mema tenten agramo asia Schwarzenegger onu nebusuafo o ma anye smart Oma nye smart ena omo jaya man oma anfa mistress ni bi otumfo na ekasa no enti Mosifo they are Ghanaians 100% Ghanaians 110% Ghanaians obsina doye you see asam no na aka no wote kokko so wo ye Ghana ni che otumfo o si ado wasase wahin wo wasase wahin wo ye Ghana ni che otumfo na e kasa no kane tete no enye ne o enti no mo ka che akuta bae o ka che o say 100 years ago no na ne na wo fie okumase you see won sa be si na asem so pe 100 years ago no na omo nana e wo dan wo kumase e bi kwa na wo obsado na wo nana na o shebente e wo bush baby no wo bush he's in bush no nana no wo bush be wuram baby he's in the bush forest somewhere in Togoland bush no baby. What are you talking about? 100 years ago na nana obi a 100 years na wo fie okumase. That time 100 years kobusa na no mo he 100 years ago no mo bush that was zapele bu baby nonsense ebusu ameda mu ina mase me dey Kamal Mohammed from Nation Blogger bakope ene edumadi no ahana yedi besi me da mu ina mase me nuanu Mosifo don't take it too into like hu say sebita fra say de mekan no hope sina do onye nipa bia sebi nyansa e woni tim onimi nyansa Ghana for nyina we have to come to the conclusion that hope sina do is not he's not intelligent onye nipa bia sebita fra che nyansa woni tim enti me kan mo menuanu Mosifo nyina down say mu nyina mu nya abotre sebita fra che obi a onimi nyansa bia no oba be speech this garbage out there because sebi the man penny the vice president oye your friends Dr. Bahomia ne yere ne nananom free Mali oye Mali ni oye Fulani ni enti sa wudi di atem sana na obeke kanipa bebre ebeke kanipa bebre enti asema wo ka no onim de wo ka sabe nyansa ne ni tirim enti mesra mo se mo mfa ne bo ne nche no na gift yo se so de wa wale de we de minim samba wo samunwo ba mo ba wo de a me pede mba wo no because papa we di anyame anim no kure ni ka wanwale kura nkeye because nyansa ni tirim ba ma sebe nyansa ni tirim de oba besia wo de ne be fa hin onim de oye onim de obeka onim tese de bia onu de bia jimi se ya na ode aba na wa be jimi na wa be fa na wa be jimi na wa be fa de bia wo de mo ma no 1 week o sa de jimi fufuro beba medamu ina mase. God bless each and every one.